into the vest.
It's a stolen phasing device.
But it's still a neat piece of textile engineering. I mean, press a button and walk through walls.
Yeah, but he wasn't even wearing the suit when we found him.
Which is why the original project was discontinued.
The device uses molecular vibration to change the quantum frequency. Now, after enough exposure, the body adopts the new frequency and then starts phasing uncontrollably.
Well, he's already lost a finger. I mean, he's not going to start leaving pieces all over town.
Each of his molecules is phasing randomly. Now, fortunately for him, electricity can bridge quantum frequencies. The only thing holding him together is the current within the cells.
It's not going to be enough for long. He's headed for full decoherence. I mean, he will literally fall apart.
We've got to do better than grow things.
Well, this is every file from the original project. Every test subject ended up phasing uncontrollably.
Well, how did they save him?
They didn't. They tried everything from point energy treatments to graviphotons. Nothing worked.
But that doesn't mean we're going to give up trying.
Right. That's obnoxious. What's that beeping?